What's up, guys? So today is a really exciting day for me. If you haven't been following along, or if these didn't end up lining up in chronological order of when they happened, but September of 2017, which is just a few months ago, it's January now of 18. Well, my wife got in an accident shortly after we parked the WJ when the pinion bearing went out in it in September. The Jeep ate the back of an Acura and destroyed the Acura and survived. The only reason it survived is that JCR DIY bumper that I just put on in August. I'm glad that the Jeep survived. I've had that thing for 15 years. This will be 16 years now that we're in 2018. But it's got to go to the body shop because there was some damage done to it. I've been waiting on this day because I had to get the WJ up and running again before I could put the XJ in the body shop because my wife was driving that daily until the WJ was fixed. Finally got around to getting the WJ fixed. Axle is installed, so it's ready to go, and she's loving having her WJ back. But it's time for the XJ to go and get fixed. I'm really excited about this. If you can't tell, I'm kind of nerding out over it. But I want to show you guys some of the damage that was done to it so you guys can see the before and after. So let's go outside and take a look. I'll show you what the damage was done to it, and then I'll show you where I'm dropping it off, and then you guys can see what it looks like when it's finished. So let's go. Wow. Alright guys, just got done dropping the Jeep off here at Flatline Auto Works. If you're local in North Georgia and the Alpharetta area, please give these guys a call. They do great work. They came highly recommended. They do all the custom Jeeps for Palmer Dodge in Roswell, Georgia. So if they're good enough for Palmer, they're good enough for me, and they're good enough for you guys. Anyways, I'll post up another video once it's done of the final product. Until then, I'm going to be doing some WJ stuff, so you guys stay tuned. And as always, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. And as always, keep Jeeping.